Get noticed in this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, premium wheels give a more luxurious look. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: side airbag, stability control, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.